hope you all are doing well. I'm back here with an amazing tutorial. Today we are making the easiest chocolate bouquet at home. So without any delay, let's start our video. To make this chocolate bouquet at home, you will need gift paper, some flowers. I'm using artificial flowers here. Next you will require a jute thread, or you can also use any ribbon, wooden skewers, crepe paper or bouquet paper of your choice, next you'll require translucent tape and some pearls or embellishments to decorate your bouquet. And we have a stapler, it's optional, and of course you will need chocolates. To fix your chocolates with the skewers, you can also use hot glue gun instead of translucent tape. So let's start the video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Before leaving, do let me know in the comment section whether you like this video or not, and don't forget to hit the like button. Until next time, bye.